Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, nice and chilly tonight, but milder weather ahead. In fact, by the end of the week, pushing upper 70s, maybe near 80. And then look out for a nasty round or maybe 2 rounds of severe storms late Friday night, early Saturday. We'll talk the timing and intensity coming up in just a bit. First off, though, high pressure, the dominant feature across our part of the world. It's right over Toledo Bend. First in a series of low pressure systems and upper lows, actually, coming in the Pacific Northwest. But the main energy with the system that's going to be impacting us is up by the Aleutian Islands in Alaska, so it's a long ways away. So our timing might change, but right now we're thinking late Friday night, early Saturday. On the weather map tonight, though, clear skies, very light north wind out there, and those winds going nearly calm overnight tonight as high pressure moves overhead, and it gets nice and chilly heading down into the mid to upper 30s. Lots of sunshine for tomorrow. It's going to be milder in the afternoon. Temperatures getting into the upper 60s. Then as we head into Thursday, return flow from the Gulf of Mexico, stratiform clouds moving in. Temperatures will be milder, ranging from upper 40s, lower 50s at midnight tomorrow night into the mid to upper 50s for Thursday morning. And then Thursday afternoon, in spite of mostly cloudy skies, we'll see temperatures reaching the lower 70s. Don't think we're going to see any rain, maybe a sprinkle, but no more than about a 10% chance of rain for your Thursday. And then we'll go about 20% on Friday. The winds begin to pick up Friday. Friday night, here comes a low pressure system, and this is very similar to the GFS model right now. So the threat of storms developing as we head into Friday night, maybe discrete cells that could produce a tornado as early as late Friday night, early Saturday morning, and then more than likely a squall line with this frontal boundary that could produce damaging winds and maybe more isolated tornadoes. And then that system moving quickly moves out of the region by Saturday afternoon. We might even see the sun Saturday afternoon. Sunday looking okay with partly cloudy skies, but rain coming back next week, and it's going to be on and off as we go into next week. As for that severe weather threat, right now the Storm Prediction Center has an enhanced risk of severe storms, mainly for portions of the Arklatex. That's a level 3 out of 5. That's for Friday. We're in a slight risk at the very least, maybe enhanced risk, especially for northern portions of Acadiana, Friday night into Saturday morning, and then all the way through Saturday afternoon into Mississippi and Alabama. And if we're breaking it down now, and the timing could change and the intensities could change, our greatest risk is going to be damaging winds. I'm putting that in the enhanced category and on the higher end, and I think there's going to be a tornado factor, especially northern portions of Acadiana to central Louisiana, so at least a slight risk. That could be enhanced as well. Flooding risk is going to be low because the storms are going to be moving along and maybe some hail, but the main threats are going to be damaging winds, maybe isolated tornadoes that Friday night into Saturday morning. Near term, though, it's a winter chill tonight, low to mid 30s. This is where we're probably going to see some patchy frost, especially along and north of the Highway 190 corridor. Mid to upper 30s, I-10 corridor will go 37 in Lafayette, and mid to upper 30s to near 40 along the coast, and a little bit milder than that even Cameron by the water. After that chilly start, temperatures warm up nicely tomorrow afternoon. We'll see the 60s tomorrow night, 50s initially, but coming back up into the mid to upper 50s by Thursday morning, and then Thursday afternoon well into the lower 70s. So tomorrow looking good, maybe some patchy frost in the morning. Make sure you cover the tender vegetation or at least get them close to the house. Beautiful day tomorrow with wall-to-wall sunshine, just a few high-level cirrus clouds. And as we head into Thursday, there's the clouds on the increase, upper 70s at the very least for Friday, and then storms on the way Friday night into early Saturday, and that threat of severe weather that could be rather substantial and even worse for our friends in central Louisiana, northern Louisiana. This is the type of system that could produce an EF2, maybe another EF3 tornado. And we saw that just a couple of weeks ago in mid-December, close to home. So we'll keep an eye on this one.
Sure will. Thanks, Rob.